Solving equations by finding the square root. If no solution, write no solution. So our first step is we're going to have to isolate our variable. So we have x squared minus 256 equals 0. So we're going to add 256 to both sides. And that's going to leave us with x squared equals 256. Then our next step will be to get rid of that x squared. We're going to take the square root of both sides. So that will leave us with x equals plus or minus 16. Our next example consists of 3x squared minus 72 equals 0. So we're going to add 75 to each side. So we're left with 3x squared equals 75. Now we're still trying to isolate the variable x squared, so we need to divide by 3 on each side. So we're left with x squared equals 25. Now I next need to take the square root of each side. So x equals plus or minus 5. Next, go ahead and start the your turn. And remember, from here on out, you're going to need paper and pencil to show your work. And you do have a possibility of the equations having no real numbers for the solution. And if that's a possibility, just write no solution right here.